Hey, everybody. This is DC from Computer Whispering. I'm here today to do a short review on Sidesync from Samsung, which lets you use your phone with your computer. Actually gives you a virtual representation of your phone. One of the best applications I've seen on the market to date. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is search for Samsung Sidesync and go to the website. From there, you're going to select download for Windows or download for PC with Mac. Now make sure on your Mac that you go into System Preferences, Security and Privacy, and make sure that you've allowed apps downloaded from Mac App Store or identified developers or anywhere. Click the lock, make the change, close the lock. For PC users, not a big deal. It's easy to install, just as normal for everybody. After you do that, you want to go to the Google Play Store and search for Sidesync. When you find it, open it, install. Alternatively, you can just go to your phone, open the Play Store, and install it that way. So after you're all installed on your computer and your phone, you want to go to Applications on the Mac or your desktop icon on your Windows. Open up the application. It's going to start searching for the phone. Go to your phone and make sure that you click on Sidesync to activate it, and it should find it, and it did. So I'm connected via Wi-Fi, but if you don't have Wi-Fi, for instance, if you're at work on a network, then you can use it via USB. Once you've got it installed, you want to go ahead and click phone screen. And in just a second, it brings up a virtual representation of your phone. I like to scoot mine over to the right so when I'm working on other projects, it stays in the background anyways. I just like to know where it is. So you can do everything that you do on your phone on the computer now. Stick your phone in the desk drawer and don't worry about it. If you have a microphone and speakers, the phone works just fine. Dial out. It'll give you the option of using the phone and or using the computer. You can also text. So let's go to the home screen. And send it and get your text back. Pretty neat. You can go to each screen that you have on your phone just by clicking the buttons. And every application on your phone will open up and it will stay open in this window. Now the other really cool thing about this, if you look at this pop-up on the bottom, it gives you a couple hot buttons down here. You can add more, but you can actually drag and drop folders in between your phone and your computer. So for an example, let's say I want to get an image from my computer to the phone. I'll open up Finder, go ahead and select the image, just drag and drop it. And as you can see, it's transferring. Go ahead and open it up, and there I am. Pretty cool, huh? So, you can also go to your Windows gallery, and I'll select a picture of Pedro. Isn't he cute? And then, for instance, let's say if you don't have iTunes on your computer or you just prefer the playlist that you have on your phone, you can go ahead into your music, click on your selection, and listen from there. All very cool and useful features. As I said, I like to keep my phone in my desk drawer. That way I can just go about and do my work and it just stays in the background just like it is. And I go about my business and I, work on my website, download Buffer to help me manage my social media. Check out Slack because I love customer service software. Check out tutorials for WordPress websites and just do what I normally do. Now, if you do not have a Samsung phone and you just have a regular Android phone, you can also use Mighty Text. Mighty Text works pretty well. It's just not quite as slick as Sidesync. Now, if you have an iOS product, an iPhone or an iPad, and you also have a Mac computer, then you have built-in functionality with continuity and handoff. Anyways, that is a very quick tutorial and review on Samsung Sidesync. I like it. I think it's awesome. Give it a try. DC signing off.